Welcome to Njenje Media TV. Please visit us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and remember to subscribe to the channel by clicking on the bell icon for notification. Another Catholic priest escaped abduction in Enugu. Exactly 2 weeks after a Catholic priest, Rev Fr Offu, was gruesomely murdered by some suspected herdsmen, another Catholic priest, Father Chimezie Ani, has escaped death as gunmen opened fire on him. The incident, which took place in the eve of Thursday, 15th August, along Ugwuomu Nike Road, shortly after Caritas University, had his vehicle pelted with bullets. Confirming the incident to Njenje Media Reporter over the phone, Rev Fr Benjamin Achi, who doubles as the Director Communications, Enugu Catholic Diocese, said that the incident took place along Ugwuomu Road. Father Ben Achi thanked God that the victim sustained no injury. Earlier, the victim of the attack, Father Ani, said it was after Caritas University Towards Ugwuomu Nike that he ran into them, firing at the SUV opposite his direction, but miraculously drove on reverse for a long distance before turning. The priest made it clear that the Catholic Diocese is under severe attack. Sampling the opinions of Enugu indigene over the attack, Onyeka, who frowned at the growing rate of insecurity in the state, charged Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi-led administration to step up to his core responsibilities. The vehicle was seriously damaged after the attack. Recall that Father Offu, who was murdered by some suspected Fulani Herdsmen in the state, sparked off series of unprecedented protests in Enugu State. I am John Paul Ani, Njenje Media TV.
Not too kind of can.
Straight to DP or go hand down in